Ka Frank Motors kalap pelat paidbah ya ka TATA SIERRA thymmai ka beri ka jingwan thymmai jong ka icon barim ka bala i di paidbah la pelat lai phau snem. Hagani ka sini pelat paidbah lai don lang du Ashish Ranjan beri Chief Manager State Bank of India lai Demkra Branch kum Kongsan. U TATA SIERRA Regional Sales Manager TATA Motors North East Region ba indon lang pasa bat kong ivarika lingdo beri try ka Frank Motors kibala syakot sumba bat kinong tray jong ka Frank Motors. Haga TATA SIERRA thymmai lawan ra de design bakam itnat ni ka teknologi ka bawan bat ka por ba menta bat ka don ya ki kor ki bor ki bala kham khlan labo ya ka SIERRA 2.0 haga kedan thymmai ha ka yo ki premium mid SUV kani ka kali ka long ka basngan ka bahe bat ka bapura bat kala ban pendan kam ya ka na ka benta ka jingya jingai ka SIERRA kala yo ru ya ka red dot design award ka bala penskam ya ka jinglong ka pang jongka ya ka SIERRA 2.0 la ban buk bat banju i paidbah ha showroom jang ka Frank Motors ka badan hanong thymmai maulai jawai banong po bat ka dor jang ka ni ka kali kalong khatbai point sab khnai lak tingka.
It's not only a vehicle, it's an emotion for us. So particularly if you ask me, it's an aspiration, it's an emotion which we always look up to. And we have grown up thinking that one day I will drive a SIERRA. So this is that emotion that we carry within us. So you must have seen too many things about SIERRA in different social platforms, but my request to all of you, because whatever you see, you will only believe when you touch and feel the car. So my request to all of you that once you get a chance to touch, feel, drive this car, please do it, because this is something different which Tata brand has made and going to offer to all the people of Meghalaya. So I'll not take much of your time. I just wanted to wish best wishes to everyone, to the team Frank, and the way everything has come up for us in this platform. It is remarkable, and I believe I can say the very good days are ahead for us with this launch of the legend, the TATA SIERRA. And as we say, the punchline of TATA SIERRA is escape mediocre, and definitely this is going to take us to a new level. Thank you so much.
All guys with cameras, this is the day we're waiting for. Make your shot worth it. So this is the legend, TATA SIERRA for you guys.
I'm a proud Tata car owner for last 5 years. I'm a proud Tata Motors stockholder for last 7 years. And there were times I had doubt of exchanging my car with a new model. But there was one incident where I met with an accident in my own car. I was driving my car. The car was in garage for almost 3 months. The person who was driving on the other vehicle was in ICU for 15 days almost. I came out of my car unscratched. From that day itself, I had never thought about exchanging my car. But when I saw the trailer launch of SIERRA a few months ago on Instagram while scrolling the reels, I had a doubt of exchanging my car. This car looked so good. That original version, that yellow and black. So I'll request everyone present here that stick with Tata. I have been with them for more than 5 years now, and I have no doubts of changing the car or the company. Thank you all.
Power the illumination as soon as you touch. So the more when you go above 80, the faster you go, the higher the illumination will increase. So which is the first in the segment. So you can see we have front parking sensors, then LED fog lamps with contouring function, and we have the Aerofloat grille design. And as you know, Tata Motors has purchased GLR, Jaguar and Land Rover in 2008, and they have introduced the clamshell bonnet, which is used in Jaguar and Land Rover, the first in the segment. So if we go to the side, wrap around glass design, which if you look from the side, it looks like a 3-door. To maintain that 3-door design of the OG, the first Sierra, which was launched in 1991. So it has R19 alloy wheels, which is the biggest in the segment, and you can see a very strong and unique B pillar right here. And I'll just talk about the rear. The rear also it has a clamshell tailgate with gesture control, and it has the best in the segment boot space of 622 liters, which will help you when traveling with a lot of luggage. So it has the first in the segment parcel tray holder behind the rear seat. You can slide the parcel tray behind the rear seat, and it has hidden wiper and washer.